if you have been around this world, probably you grew up in the 90s, you see the pre-smartphone era and also the pre-internet era. So the internet is barely 30 years old or more. And you've seen a lot of innovation come and go. Now there is something called the vision of the fathers. Actually, when the internet came, it was not a technology built for the masses. It was a military experiment, just like other technology like drones. And people are using drones right now, right? But the military were the ones who brought about drones. So it's the same thing with the internet. Now, this technology is very, very good. Let's give it to the masses. That is where the internet came from. But every single day, there are powerhouses. We talk about the Facebook of the world, we talk about the Twitters, we talk about the YouTube, we talk about the Googles, who are in the data business. Now, I'm going to make a separate video on the data craze. That's going to be another video. I'm not in this video. This video, one will just explain the brief overview of quality. Now, listen. This data that are being collected is not very good for the end user, right? That is one thing. Then, secondly, they brought a lot of blockchain systems to actually address this problem of privacy. Why? Because if you talk about the likes of Ethereum is not secure. It's decentralized computation, but it's not secure. What about Bitcoin? Decentralized payment, but it's not secure. Secure in the sense that private. Let me use privacy. So there are various approaches to talk about using stuff like Monero, which the IRS has just offered a let me put it. Monero bouncing IRS. So the IRS US, they offered $625,000 to crack it. And now, another thing again, CipherTrace also came up with a claim. That is one of them. Now, another approach could be using the marketplace. So the marketplace like Particle, like this, Syscoin, and Open Bazaar, and the rest of them. There's a little bit of privacy there. And then another thing could be using probably computation. So we have the likes of Enigma, or the platform that's called Syscoin, and Secret and all that. Now, there are a lot of work going on, but there's a reason why this platform cannot fit to the scheme. Now, there's one of the issues why it can't fit is, number one, though there are some solutions, is that they currently do not support cross-chain computation. And one of the benefits why Polkadot is very, very unique is the issue of interoperability. There could be a lot of privacy solutions and all that. If these solutions are not interoperate, it becomes a problem, right? Now, what Phala does, Phala enables cross-chain computation. Then, another thing again is that the smart contracts that are being run inside Phala, they are verifiable yet privacy preserved. And what that means is there is something in cryptography called the zero knowledge proof. And then we want to talk about dealing with that is at the software level. We're talking about dealing with the hardware level. There's something called the trusted execution environment, which is called TTE. So TTE is basically a fortress or an enclave in your computer CPU. So it's, how will I put it? It's like a place inside your CPU that is absorbed from the normal operations of your system. So even if a malicious person, probably you're running a program, a malicious person hacks your system, they cannot get access to the trusted execution environment. It's trusted. Now, so it's Phala uses trusted nodes of trusted execution environment, which we talk about and how they can actually come in. Then it supports great confidentiality and interoperability. And so you can actually invoke contracts from different stuff. So, what are some of the products that Phala has? We will not talk about in-depth, we'll talk about them in-depth in the subsequent video. One of them is the web table analytics. So, in a nutshell, in simple terms, what it just does is it's the decentralized version of web analytics. So, you're tracking data in the most private way and in a manner that is compliant with the laws in Europe, like the GDPR and creating the user. And the second thing is it provides a confidential protection layer. So it's they're building P Libra. So Libra is going to be huge. I think there are a lot of hurdles right now, but when it takes off, there are already a lot of developers that are developing a Libra smart contract language called the Move, and a lot of things are really happening now. Like a lot of platforms are joining Facebook, the Libra consortium and other. So the P Libra is actually a privacy preserving layer for Libra. And then now listen, they have received grants to build a dark pool on Kusama. Now we'll talk about that in the next subsequent video. So you might be asking, who are the ones behind these companies? About the likes of New, sorry if I pronounce the name wrong, Marathon, and others. Now, how may you come in? So you may come in by contributing. So you can use probably you can sign up for someone who will be one of the TT miners. You can come in and contribute. Let me pull up something. You can decide to be a Phala spokesman, and there are pretty good rewards for such activity. You can be a spokesman. You can be part of the watchmen. And another information why this stuff is that Phala is already trading on the exchange, on the stock market. Wow, so it's already trading for 10 cents. So this same session is trading right now. So you can be one of the watchmen. So what do the watchmen actually do? They basically help with probably organizing events, leading the community, translating documents, and a host of other things. You can create your original video, you can do tutorials. So these are the tasks: document translation, banner, header, illustration, original tutorials and articles, original videos, you can do meetup, offline meetup, and all that. And then you can be a spokesman. The spokesman, the reward is between 5,000 to 1,000 and the requirements to the company. So that is one of the ways you can actually contribute. Now, another way you can contribute is that you could also come in and contribute open source code. You can help with other marketing. And that is just a brief about Phala. So in our other video, we'll talk about the products in depth. Thank you.